86 keys, rugged embedded military chiclet keyboard, which is made of CNC aluminum alloy front plate and PC keycaps, as well as carbon contact and integrated military PCB, waterproof patent design. 1.2 mm keystroke with comfortable tactile for fast and accurate data input. No missing key, no stuck key, no repeat key value output. Integrated touchpad mouse or separate version, optional. Dimmable backlighting at 3 levels. Designed to meet MILS TD461G and MILS TD810H high and low working temperature of -40 degrees centigrade to +75 degrees centigrade. Humidity, fungus, salt mist, vibration, etc. Various dimensions and parameters optional. It is widely used for portable rugged laptop, vehicle, aerospace, marine and radar, etc.